Welcome back, guys. We just bought a Sony PlayStation, and today we are going to repair it and give it a new life. This is Tech Nouveau. So for those of you who are new to the channel, what we do here is we repair old broken things and we try to make, I don't know, like things work better together. So today we just want to kind of do a restoration project here. So what we're going to do first is we're going to want to start by undoing all of the screws on the bottom of the PlayStation. Now, as you can see inside, we have quite a dusty machine. Right here we can see we have like a huge deposit of dust. This module over here is your power supply area, and you can see that it is just coated with dust. And you can see here that the disk drive area is a little dirty. We've got dust right here. Also right here in this area, you can see it's pretty dusty. Because of this, you can obviously see that we're going to have to spray this off with like compressed air or some other tool like that to get it clean. Now that we've removed the disk drive, we will move on to uncovering the motherboard. And as you can see, there are screws here, here, and here. And we also need to disconnect the power supply, as well as the ribbon cord for both of the controller ports and memory ports. As you can see, we have now disconnected both the controller ports and the power supply, and now we're ready to get unscrewing. As you can see, all of these screws are undone, and we will now begin by removing the cover for the motherboard. So now that we've removed that, we have 4 more screws before the motherboard is fully released. One here, 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 and here. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but there's plenty of dust on here, especially like right here in this area. But we're about to take care of all that. The motherboard itself is in pretty good condition. As you can see, there's no corrosion. Obviously, the motherboard itself was kept in pretty good shape. Our next step is to remove the I/O from the front of the PlayStation. As you can see, there's only 2 screws for this one here and one here. This is the front of the I/O. As you can see, the ports actually look pretty clean. So this PlayStation is looking to be in pretty good shape if none of the other components are wrong or failed. As you can see, the last thing that we need to do is we just need to remove the power supply from the case. Now, these power supplies, even after being unplugged, can still be dangerous. So please, if you're attempting to do this, do not touch any of the components on the power supply. Only touch in areas where there is no circuitry. As you can see, this is our power supply. We'll set this off to the side. Again, this is one of the most crucial and fragile parts of the entire system. Please do not touch. As you can see now, we're left with the bottom case here, and we will take this out for cleaning.